Let's wait for this to go by. Hi guys, it's Donna and Steve from Old Ways,
Good morning.
and we're sitting outside doing our favorite thing, having tea and coffee first thing in the morning. And just a sec. Remembering when this hour of the morning we used to be able to sit outside on a Sunday and not hear traffic. There's a lot of traffic out today.
Yeah, that's
Progress.
progress. Well, I don't know if I'd call it progress because that implies a positive change. That's change. That's just what happens.
So
More people, more cars, more noise.
what we're doing is looking over the garden and trying to figure out what we're going to do next.
Plotting and planning.
I want to build my little pallet retreat. But before we do anything else, we just got a phone call from Julie. And here comes another car. From Julie and the grandkids and David. And in about 10 minutes, we're going to leave to go meet them to go fishing. So,
Time to go drown some bait at least. If nothing.
no, we like to fish.
Well, I like to be out there whether I catch anything or not. At the very worst, I'm going to go stand out there and drown some bait and enjoy the day and look at nature.
And spend time with the family.
That's right. And if I come away with some fish, that's a bonus.
Yep. So, we thought we'd get out here and just have like a little conversation. But the cars have decided that they want to be part of the video. But anyway, truly, some of the projects we have coming up, I did a video, and it's on what we did to this table. Can I tell you all, I really, really dislike editing. So, we shot the video, about 4 or 5 days ago?
Yeah.
And it's in various stages of editing because I really don't like editing.
And we will reshoot a half a dozen times to try and get it in one take. So if it's like something like this project, that's not a one take
You can't
thing.
do right.
But if it's a shorter video, we're going to shoot it until one take. Everything's not one take and done, but one seamless shot end to end. It might be 50 takes.
Because I really don't like editing.
But it depends on what it is. Now, if it's a cooking video where she's making something and we have extra copies because we got to reshoot the video, I can live with that. You know, especially for like cakes, cookies, something. You know, shoot as many times as you want.
But anyway, I want to make my palette retreat kind of gazebo, romantic type. Not romantic, but girly type
Elegant.
place to sit.
I don't know if palettes and elegant really fit together, but
They will when I'm done.
Yeah, wait till you see the end result.
I also will be doing a video on I made an outdoor chandelier. Some of you, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you would follow us on Instagram at Old Ways New Times, or we have a Facebook page, Old Ways New Times. I post pictures there too. So,
Truck.
So anyway, join us there. You know, just like and subscribe over there too, and you get to see some pictures before the videos come out. And then there's other people, and you know, if you're a content creator, I encourage you to share your content on Always New Times Facebook page.
Yeah.
Right?
Hey, more
Yeah.
the merrier.
Exactly. So, we do have some new things coming up. I will shoot a 2021 garden video as soon as I figure out what I'm doing. Something dinged. Oh, that was a notification. Okay. I did tell you that the last video I did was, well, no, the video I did with this said that this would be the last video I did, and then we used the GoPro. The 3% rule is in effect. You have to be 3% smarter
than the object you're intending to manipulate. Right now, we're not, so we're working on that.
We're at 4% smarter. Or 2.5.
2.5.
We're at 2.5. We're getting there. Let's see what else is going on. Over at Bearded Brothers, we've been planting grapes and fruit trees and
berry vines.
Over at Julie's, we've been planting and potatoes over at Bearded Brothers. Mm-hmm. Over at Julie's, we've been planting mega gardens. What we're planting here, and you might be able to see in the background, is just what I would call a kitchen garden.
Yeah, that's our lettuce and spinach.
Oh, lettuce, spinach, turnips. Let me see. Oh, let me show you one of my turnips.
Squirrel.
I'm going to edit that part out. One of our turnips. Oh, I got...
You dropped it in your tea?
I did.
We'll make another cup.
Here's another turnip. We'll have them for dinner tonight. We've got peas over here. We've got pole beans there. I've got carrots there.
Tomatoes over there.
Tomatoes that way. Peppers that way.
But we're going to do a garden video.
But we're going to do a garden video.
So you can actually see all of this stuff. But it's really looking phenomenal.
I got broccoli and Brussels sprouts over there.
See?
What?
I was pointing at the broccoli.
Oh, yeah.
I could see myself in the camera.
Okay. Squashes and zucchinis over there. Cucumbers over there. Bunching onions over there. Herbs over there. Blueberries over there. Raspberries over there. And this is not in a very big space, because we kind of did this to show you that if you don't have a very big space, what you can still do and park your car. So, let's see. There we go.
Okay.
Pretty much, that's it. We are coming back. We are going to be doing more videos. Please tell us what you'd like to see, so we have an idea of what to video for you, record. Right now on the property, as far as fruits and vegetables, I told you some of the vegetables. Fruits, we have figs, we have pears, we have peaches, we have raspberries, we have blueberries. In the back, what do we have? Plums.
Trees.
That doesn't help. We have plums.
They have labels on them, guys, because I forget.
We have plums. We have more pears. More peaches. I planted a persimmon tree. I don't think it made it. We'll have to go look again. I don't know if you need 1 or 2 persimmons. I think you need 2. I think we planted 2, but I'm not sure. We're going to have to go back there and look. But I have never had persimmons. We planted those strictly for son-in-law David, because he has fond memories of persimmons when he was a child. So we planted them. So anyway, recently put up some Dollar Tree DIY solar video, and I
And
don't
we'll,
know.
we'll point all of that out in the garden video tour as well.
I'll link that in here somewhere.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah. We're going to do another. We shared pictures on Instagram and our Facebook page about inexpensive trellising. But we're going to do a video on it because we've decided that the trellis, what we put up there, might not be strong enough to hold. So we're going to take everything. We're not going to take the structure down. We're just going to take the
Restring it.
restring it. Yeah. So we'll do a video on that. And I don't know. Again,
Truck.
just tell us what you'd like to see, and we'll give it our best attempt to record it.
Ask questions and we'll answer the questions. And see if it's just a quick question, we'll do that. If it needs a video to elaborate, we'll do that too.
But for now, we're going to go meet the family
It's fishing time.
and go fishing. As always, have a blessed and safe day, and share your knowledge.
Bye.